Do you want to build a lean, toned body at home in less time? Well, you're in luck because today we are doing a low-impact, high-intensity interval training workout that is designed to blast fat and burn calories in less time. So let's get to it. Now, before I dive into today's workout, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post a new diet tip or workout video. Hey, my name is Jenny J. I'm an online fitness and weight loss coach who helps people just like you get fit, lose weight, and change their lives through my online programs and workout challenges. And in today's workout, we're gonna be doing a low impact, high intensity interval training workout, which is basically more effective than any steady state cardio workout that you will do, such as running or walking or just logging in minutes and minutes on an elliptical. This workout not only is great for any person with a knee injury or just wants to avoid jumping or doing any high impact in general, and it's going to blast fat and burn calories in a really short amount of time. Today's workout, we have 5 exercises. We're gonna do 45 seconds of each move, followed by about a 15-second rest for a total of 2 rounds. All you need is your body and a mat. And hey, if you wanna get into the best shape of your life in 2021, make sure to check out my 3-part free video training on how to get into the best shape of your life. So check that out in the link in the description below because you will not wanna miss that free video training. Well, let's get to it. For the soccer tap squats, you want to tap the inside of the opposite ankle, right and left, squat down, keep knees in line with toes, feet about shoulder distance apart, dropping that booty back and down as if you're sitting in a chair, and keep that core nice and tight the entire time. For the runner's lunge with knee drive, you want to drop that bottom knee as low as you can, drive that knee up to the chest, give your core a tight squeeze, and then come to the other side. You want to create a 90-degree angle between both legs, make sure your shoulders are stacked right on top of those hips, and only go at your range of motion. You do not have to go as low as me. Listen to your body. For the leg tap to push-up, start in a plank position. You're gonna lift those hips up, tapping the opposite hand to the thigh. Come back down to your high plank, drop to the knees, and do a modified push-up. Now, if you can do a push-up on your feet, you are more than welcome to, but a modified push-up on the knees is just as fine. Try to get the chest as low as you can to the floor to activate the pec muscles, and then lift those hips up to get the shoulders and core working as well. For the bear walks, you want to make sure that your hips are directly above the knees. The knees should be about 1 inch away from the floor, and you're going to walk to the side, right and left, matching your hand and foot at the same time. Your goal is to try to keep your back stable and square. You almost want to pretend like you're balancing a wine glass on your back, and you don't want to let that alcohol spill on the floor. For the bicycle crunches, lift from the abs to get the shoulder blades off the floor. Crunch the opposite knee to opposite shoulder, keeping those shoulder blades up and finding that really deep twist in those oblique muscles. The lower the straight leg is, the harder this move gets. So feel free to lift the leg a little bit higher if you need an option. much for working out with me today. If you enjoyed today's workout, please like and comment below and let me know which workout move was your favorite. If you want to continue sweating it out with me, check out this video here, and I'll see you next time.